Did you know that the healthy meals you are cooking could actually be making you fat? Hello and welcome back to the Fit Life UK. Today, we are exposing the biggest lie in the fitness industry. Take a look in your kitchen cabinet right now. You probably have a bottle of vegetable oil, sunflower oil, or canola oil sitting there. For decades, we have been told these are heart-healthy oils. But here is the shocking truth the food industry does not want you to know. These are highly processed industrial seed oils. To make them look clean and clear, they are bleached and treated with harsh chemicals. When you heat these oils in your frying pan, they mutate and release toxic compounds. When you eat them, they cause massive inflammation inside your body. This inflammation completely wrecks your metabolism, spikes your insulin resistance, and forces your body to store the food directly as stubborn visceral belly fat. You are literally cooking your food in liquid fat storage. So, what should you use instead? Throw away those toxic yellow bottles. Swap them for natural, healthy fats like extra virgin olive oil, organic coconut oil, or even grass-fed butter. These natural fats actually help switch your body into a fat-burning state. Remember, melting belly fat starts in the kitchen. If you are tired of guessing what to eat and want a complete, step-by-step plan designed to melt stubborn fat fast, we have something for you. Check the link in the description or the pinned comment below to get your 100% custom keto diet plan tailored exactly for your body. If you found this video shocking, hit that like button, subscribe to the Fit Life UK, and I will see you in the next video.